How to check recently watched reels on Instagram. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Now head over to your Reels section. So over here, if you scroll down, it might show you all the reels that you have just watched recently. But the one thing you should know that there is no any direct option where you can see the videos that you have just watched before. Now the next thing you want to do is to go back and head over to your profile. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner and then head over to saved. So some of the reel video might appear here if you have saved. The another thing you can do is go back and head over to menu. Head over to your activity. You will see the category of interactions. You can head over to any one of it. So let me head over to likes. So any of the reel video that you have liked before will appear here in this page. Likewise, if you have commented, then the videos will show you up in this page. And then you'll be good to go. So this way you will be able to check the recently watched reels on Instagram. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.